Fix the wiring on the radio for static Leo. This is gonna go burnout. Old school for sale.
La que le vendieron aquí. O sea, el muchacho que se la compró, la tuvo. ¿Oh, sí? Pero ya la jodió toda de frente. La chocó, ¿verdad? Pero ya la arregló. Todavía no la pinta, pero ahí la trae otra vez. It's hard to fix it. Es que that's what he was saying.
How much you asking for it?
75.
75?
500.
Get una 86, right?
86. 305. AC working.
Code AC. Para que no se reeditan.
DC.
Got the AC going on. Trae AC para que no se le redite la novia ahí adentro.
La cola con ese pinche calorón.
That's all you, Baldo? Just stop playing. Buy yourself old school.
Ya get that Baldo hooker.
Yes, sir. What are you thinking about it, man? Just pull the trigger and buy that truck already.
I can get it in payments, right?
Que en pagos al Baldo, dice.
¿Cómo?
Y se lo dejas en pagos a Baldo.
Se lo vamos a dejar en pagos a Baldo. Para que vaya a otro show.
And my truck had this. My old hood. And then my brother-in-law me lo tiró a la basura. And just that piece alone is expensive. Hey, what's up, guys? So today I got behind me a 78 C-10. I got to do the radio on it. Right now it has it's not a stock radio. It's an aftermarket radio, but it still has like the knobs on the side and all that. So I gotta make this hole a little bit bigger to fit a single DIN radio. And he wants to add two 6.5 speakers, one on each side, and that should be it for this truck for today. It's a nice truck, nice interior. These are the parts that I'm gonna use for this truck. Metra 87, 99, 3052. Let's see. There it is. This is a dash kit. This one fits mainly square body 73 to 87. Unlike some 90s Suburbans and like the Blazers. Single DIN Pioneer. Two 6.5-inch speaker boxes and two DS18 6.5-inch speakers. Man, this interior is nice. It's a nice seat. Got the vintage steering wheel wrapped in, looks like leather. Same material as the seat. Got some nice kick panels. The dash también está wrapped. And door panels. seats are comfortable, man. I need something like these for my truck. Well, to take this off, nothing but Phillips. I'm gonna use a screwdriver. I don't want to use a drill because some of these plastics, sometimes when they're old and you start taking off the screws, the plastic's brittle and it'll start breaking and cracking and stripping. So I rather use a screwdriver for this. Let's get started. I have to cut on this metal. I gotta make the hole like around here, drop it down. Same for this side. So right now I'm gonna get the bezel and test fit this part so I can have an idea where I'm gonna have to cut. So this brace is gonna go behind the bezel. Gotta line the holes. Same ones here. Goes like that. This front bezel, I might not need it unless I do like horrible cuts, but I gotta try to make some clean cuts right here. And this one goes from the back. Like that. Alright, so I glued this on here. Well, I taped it on here for right now. I'm gonna just mark it and then cut it and see how it comes out. So I'm gonna try to use my Dremel to try to cut on here. Like that. And like that. Now I'm gonna take off this brace and try to make the cuts deeper. I use this mainly right now to just like trace where I wanna make the hole. You can see where I kind of did the trace. Well, this brake, the blade broke, so I gotta fix it now. New blade, let's go. Pretty much done with the cut. Got the radial bezel here, test fitted. Might have to trim a little bit on the bottom, and then it should be good. Alright. There it is. Nice little cut. Finally cut it. Use a Dremel to cut this too. Cage fits. Now I just got to rewire it and run some wire for the back speakers. And that should be it for today. Alright, so pretty much when you put this bezel back on, the hard part is this AC part because it's like 4 inches back. So it's a hassle to put that in. So if you struggle, don't worry, because I struggle to put it in too. Alright, another little preview. To put the bezel on, I had to cut a little bit on the corner here to make it fit. Sounds good. That's Rick, guys. Y'all go follow him on Instagram. Rick78 C10. We also did the lights here. Prende las luces. Got LEDs on them. Sitting on 22-inch and 24-inch raceline wheels.